Very good afternoon, children of Standard 4. Let us begin with Chapter 5 in your computer, that is, the Internet web browser. It's a very important chapter, children. Please pay attention to each and every part of it so that it will help you in your future. This chapter consists of computer network, Internet, requirement for an Internet connection, the Internet terminology, net surfing, search engine, web browser and its components. Let us begin with computer network. When a computer is connected, like when two or more computers are connected and they exchange data and information with each other, it is called computer network. A small network can be as small as two computers linked together by a single cable. A wireless network means without wires, connect computers without cables or wires. Computers use radio communications to transfer data among each other. Okay, the types of communication it is, a radio communication is being used to transfer data with each other. Internet. Now the internet is a well organized and managed networks of millions of computers connected all over the world. Through internet, what is an internet? It is a well organized and managed network through which millions of computers are being working and are being connected all over the world. It is the largest network of computers. Okay, it's a very big network of computers which is spread all across the globe. Anyone with a computer with all the required hardware can become a part of it. A person who is having a computer and proper hardware which is there in the computer that person can become a part of this internet, this connection. Okay, internet has changed the modern life in a great extent. Earlier, without internet, people used to use dictionaries and other such things which is quite complicated. But with internet, many people use they search all their information, all their doubts they ask from internet. Okay, every kind of information is available on it. It provides us with millions of applications. Okay, all kind of information you will find in internet. Okay, birth of internet. Where did internet come from? In 1970s, US Defense Department established an agency for research and analysis in the field of defense. So the US Defense has started an agency for the research and analysis related to the defense work. Defense work, they used to have this research and analysis, and for this reason this agency was known as Advanced Research Project Agency, ARPA. Okay, now ARPA set up network of computer between different offices. What ARPA did, it set up network of computer between different offices of defense department. Its work was to enhance the defense department. So it has fixed computers in different departments so that the data could be transferred from one computer or from one office to the other. Okay, exchange of data was possible. This network of computer was called ARPANET. Later, ARPANET was opened for education field also. So this has now become useful for education field also. Many universities and institutions have started using it, and this has given rise to internet. Okay. Requirements of an internet connection. Why internet connection is required? There are some hardware and software requirement to connect a computer to the internet. Okay, there are some hardware and software which is required to the computer get connected to internet. Web browser. A computer system with internet browsing software such as Microsoft Internet Explorer. You must have seen that Internet Explorer symbol is there in your computer. Google Chrome is there. This helps to search for different things. It helps in browsing. Okay, it helps in internet browsing. Okay, telephone line. A telephone line that can be used for sending and receiving data. Receiving the data is required. Okay, a telephone line is also required. Modem. A demodulator known as modem is required to connect telephone with a computer. Now what it convert digital data into analog signal, which is useful for the telephone, and again it does the vice versa. It again transfer the analog to digital data for the computer to work. ISP, it's an internet service provider. It's a company that offers connectivity to the internet. Okay, there are companies like BSNL, Airtel, Tata. All these companies, what does they do? They provide internet connectivity to the internet. When we send or receive the information on the internet, it first reaches to the ISP. It reaches to these companies. All right. Now, the internet terminology. Home page. The main page of website is called home page. It is the first page which appears when we open a website. Hyperlink. It's a page which has many things, like such as links to a topic which may be on the same page or entirely different document. Okay, it is a hyperlink. It is containing it is a link between a single topic, or it could be of entire document. URL is a uniform resource locator. Okay, it is the address of a web page. It is unique for each web page. Every web page will have a different URL. Okay, the URL of a web page is entered in the address bar. Can you see this bar? When it's a search, just beside the search place, you will have this bar, this place where you can write the URL. Web browser. A web browser is a software that is used to access information on the internet. It helps in accessing internet information.